Go.
Okay, so for Kosho Ryukyambo, it really is, martial arts is about self-defense. So we think don't attack first or anything like that. But Kosho takes it to another level. So the first thing it teaches is escaping. The escaping is based on the octagon. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So depending on where he is, when he punches, right, I can escape here. When he punches, I can escape here. You throw the hook punch, I can escape here. Throw the hook punch, and I can, well, this is attacking, I try to escape, right? You throw the hook punch, and I can escape here to get away. So Kosho, depending on where he is, it's all about eye training and movement. It's about escape first. So he punches, right? I escape. But the escape is also teaching you positioning. So when I learn to escape here with punches, right? He punches, I can escape here. He's throwing 2 punches, I can escape here. But it also becomes positioning because escape, my triangulation is off here. He throws 2 punches, and my triangulation is here now, and I own that position is good. He throws 2 punches, my escape is me, right? He throws 2 punches, my punches, I have them. So I have the point of contact because from my escape punch, I turn it into a 2 engagement. Punch out, and I'm here. Why did I tap him here? Not because we're tapping, but I'm stopping the second rotation. So 2 punches, and that second punch can't count because this little tap is here. So from escape, we begin our self-defense. But the idea is don't engage and escape, but to do so in such a way that we practice when he punches, that my escape becomes contact and control.